Hey, just had a member of my team write and just say, what is just a normal short little email that you use that seems to be successful? And boy, oh my gosh, you can write 10, 20, 30, or 5 million emails, either short, long, crazy, sideways, write them upside down, or I don't know, sprinkle sugar on them before you send them. But there's always one email that I send, and it's kind of simple. It's very polite. I think that most people, when they read it, they will click what's included into the email or enclosed or whatever. So anyway, let me shrink my big face here. Let me move my face over. Let's see. I'll be on the right hand corner here if you need me. Okay. Now, if you look at the screen, hey there, you might have heard about this already. It's gaining momentum daily. Worth taking a look. This might be of interest. I'm full throttle at this point. Watch this short video. Just simple free tour, so to speak. Nothing to buy. Click pleasewatchvideo.com. Now I own that domain. You would put yours. So yourdomain.com, whatever you have, forwarded to a capture page or the Live Good capture page. It's up to you. Thanks for your time. I know you're busy. I absolutely love to end all my emails that way. And the reason why is, my family being from Iowa, I grew up in Santa Barbara. I did a lot of business down south. I enjoy people that are a little more down to earth and just like, how you doing, buddy? All right, you take care. All right, keep in touch. Hey, thanks for your time. I know you're busy. I love that type of mentality, even in an email, because I think that if somebody says it that way, it's probably like at least that person who sent the email realizes that it is my time, and either it's my time to delete the spam or the email, or at least when you put something like, look, there's nothing to buy, just watch this short video. Thanks for your time. Those right there, I'm pretty sure if someone emails me this, first of all, I don't think a robot wrote it. I think somebody that probably is kind of cool wrote that knowing that if you click this, there's a short video and there's nothing to buy. Because right there, I'm like, look, my time, I am busy, but I definitely make time to play solitaire. I definitely make time to eat burritos at midnight with extra cheese. But it is cool if you get an email that's just simple. Watch this. There's nothing to buy, just a short video. Thanks for your time. Not that I'm an email expert, but I just love that type of aura and vibe. And I'll show it to you again. I'll just shrink my big face here. Now this right here, see this? The little alligator mouth to the right, percentage sign, first underscore name, percent, alligator mouth to the left. I don't even know. I've been calling him an alligator mouth as long as I can remember. If you put this here in the Nowsite technology, this is just for my buddies that have the AI technology called Nowsite. If you put that in, the Nowsite technology has the first and last name of every single lead or contact, and that will simply put their first name. I don't put their first and last. I don't make this email any more than a novel than it needs to be. But anyway, I mean, you can literally just, this is what it would look like. You can just put, hey there, hi, hello, how you doing, buddy? I don't know. I wouldn't put probably that, but if you just put hello, that's always nice. There's not a lot of this or that or anything more intimate like, hello, buddy, how are you? I haven't seen you since last week. And you've never met the person. But you might have heard about this. It's gaining momentum daily. At least that just, because it really is. Live Good now has over 300,000 people worldwide participating, making money, taking action, buying the products. They're at 8 million, probably on the way to $9 to $10 million just in product sales. And that has nothing to do really with the affiliate side. That's just people really enjoying the products. So is it gaining momentum daily? Yeah. How much? I'm not going to put. No one gives a rat's ass in an email. They just want it kind of simple. It's worth taking a look. This might be of interest. I'm full throttle. They might not care I'm full throttle, but I am. And it's worth taking a look. I really do think so. This might be of interest, and See, when I email people, I use my AI technology. I pinpoint that exact person for Avon. I pinpoint that exact person looking to earn money online. I pinpoint that person in Singapore to Fiji to South Africa to India who are looking to earn money online. And if they are in Avon or Herbalife, great. What I'll do is I'll search India and see what the number one healthcare MLM oriented products are, or what the company is. So, for example, Avon and USANA and Herbalife, they are very, very popular in America, and they do have a boatload of health products, and they sell billions. Okay, so do I want someone affiliated with that already? Hell yeah, because we are wholesale. We have great, great products. And in my opinion, disclaimer, this company is about 5.10 million% easier than a traditional MLM. So just look at that. This is simply just a little quick video for somebody to see a sample email. And believe me, you can get rid of a full throttle at this point. And please don't put this. I mean, I do enjoy your traffic, but be sure not to put please watch video, because that will go to my capture page. And if I get someone to sign up, I'm going to feel guilty, and I'm probably going to send you a Scooby snack. But anyway, please put your domain right there. And in the email, you can always make it clickable by, usually what you do is you just highlight like this. And then usually at the top of an email program like Gmail, for example, they'll have a picture of like a chain link. It looks like a chain. It just means, link. And then what you could do is click it, and then it'll say, where do you want this, to go to? And obviously I want it to go to please watch video, because that's my domain that goes to my capture pages. Or you can just make the word click, or watch. You can simply just put the word watch and make it clickable to your domain. But I think you guys know what I mean. This is just a simple email. This seems to work. I've had really good response with this style of email, actually the last 20 years. And I prefer it now. I like good buddy. How you doing? Please watch this if you get a chance. And I think male, female, both, they'll just think, that's a simple email. Let's just give a couple seconds and click this darn thing. So, all right. Well, thanks for watching my vid. Man, my vid. Thanks. It's all about the vid. And I always got these dang things that pop up by my ears right now. And I think there are other videos to watch last time I checked. So, all right, if you want to join LiveGood, link just below the video. AI software is right below that. I think you guys know the deal. All right, take it easy, okay? All right, we'll see you later, alligator. How about that, man? That's kind of a cool phrase in the Everglades in Florida. As an alligator eats you. And what's the difference between a crocodile and an alligator? I don't even know.